Nature, nurture, heaven and home. Some are fallen by them, driven to conquer every mountain shown. But I've never crossed the river. It'll take a lot more than words and guns. A whole lot more than riches and muscle. The hands of the many must join as one, and together we'll cross the river. Thoughts in the mind of God. The astral, the soul, the physical, matter, the body, blood and bone, feathers, stones. The kingdom of God transcends and includes everything that is, that was, that will be now, eternally. Nature, nurture, heaven and home. Some of all and by them driven to conquer every mountain shown. But I've never crossed the river. Everything is thoughts in the mind of God, including you. You are a thinking thought in the mind of God. And when you surrender to that, when you align with that, when your thoughts become the thoughts of God, then you become a miracle worker, a wizard, a magician, a realized son or daughter of the Most High that created everything. Your greatest power lies in surrendering to that. And you do that by going in, letting go, connecting to your source. Knock, the door will open. The kingdom of heaven is inside you.